Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Kicks dashboard. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable from your car's battery. Next, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. Begin by gently prying off the side dash panel located next to the air conditioning controls. Then, open the glove box, unhook its hinge, and remove the 6 screws holding it in place. Moving to the center, use your pry tool to carefully remove the trim panel that surrounds the radio and climate control unit. Once exposed, you will find 4 screws holding the radio in place. Remove these. Gently pull the radio forward and disconnect all the electrical harnesses from its rear. Next, shift your attention to the driver's side, removing the 3 screws that secure the lower dash cover. Now, let's tackle the steering column area. You will need to remove the steering wheel column covers by unscrewing the 4 Phillips head screws. Look for and remove any additional screws located around the steering column itself. Crucially, there are typically 4 bolts hidden beneath the windshield vents on top of the dashboard. Carefully pry up the vents to access them. Also, thoroughly check for any remaining screws on both sides and underneath the dashboard. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully slide the entire dashboard assembly forward a few inches. This will give you access to any final electrical harnesses and connections at the back. Disconnect them all. Once everything is free, gently lift and remove the dashboard from your vehicle. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and all screws are tightened properly for a safe and complete job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.